check this one out. This has got some deep blue. That's like this cool like water effect going in there with that pearl blue, and then it's got a dark pearl blue and it's outlined with lines, and then you got the deep ocean there. Yeah, so this thing is pretty cool. It measures out to be, this is a little long. This is about 1.1 inches, and it's beefy, so it's kind of thick. It's 3/4. Is it thicker? No, just 3/4. 3/4 up wide and 1.1 inches long. Perfect for, as usual, all your everyday carry lanyards and bracelets and stuff like that. Add this. This is maybe a little bit too big to put around your neck. Depends on what maybe if you put something on either side of it. But yeah, now look at that. That's really pretty. It's awesome. And those refractions there. I like the way this one came out. So go over to fiddlebone.com, like, subscribe, share, and all that fun stuff. Check them all out. Tell your friends. Have a great day.